Let me guess. You've got a great healthcare practice in Sydney or Melbourne. Or maybe you're running a growing clinic in Perth. Your website is up. It looks clean. You've got the services listed, contact form ready, even a blog or two. But when you Google GP near me or dentist in Carlton, your clinic, nowhere on page 1. And you're sitting there wondering, why? Why are competitors with worse websites, stock photos, and generic content showing up above you? Here's the thing, in Australia, just having a healthcare website isn't enough anymore. Search engines, especially Google, don't care how great your clinic looks. They care how well your SEO is done. And if your SEO's off, your clinic is basically invisible to people who are actively searching for care. Now I know what you're thinking, SEO? Sounds technical, expensive, and I don't have time for that. But let me ask you this. How many new patients come from word of mouth today? Versus how many come from Googling things like child psychologist Gold Coast, after hours GP in Adelaide, physiotherapy clinic near me? That's where a healthcare-focused SEO agency in Australia becomes game-changing, because general SEO won't cut it here. You're in a regulated, trust-sensitive industry. Patients don't just want answers, they want safe, local, qualified care. And Google rewards websites that look, sound, and behave like real clinics that people can trust. So if your healthcare website has been live for months or years, and it's still not ranking or not bringing real patients through the door, then maybe it's time to stop guessing and start working with people who've ranked clinics, hospitals, and specialists across Australia. At Indeed SEO, we've helped healthcare providers across the country get visible with clean, ethical SEO that respects both patients and Google's policies. If you want us to take a quick, no-pressure look at your website and tell you what's holding it back, head over to IndeedSEO.com or drop your city plus specialty in the comments. We'll reply with real answers, not a sales pitch. And if this kind of direct, helpful content is your thing, like, subscribe, hit the bell. We're here to make healthcare SEO make sense.